back to Party Slayers with Lapoosh. It's a rewind. It's a Women's Day. I'm with my sister. My sister, how are you?
I'm good, and you, sister?
I'm good. It's a rewind. What's happening in rewind today?
It's happening. Nandi. We came here to support our younger sisters who are my two Palisano Koli. Yes.
I'm a teacher.
Yes, I'm a teacher. We are in Soul. Yes.
It's a Women's Day. So, Uti, Women's Day. Like any message for Labafast?
Abo mama batlokomela abantwana babo singathi masiyetshwaleni sathi imali zegrant sizophuza ngazo ngithi and nalabo baba labayana ngithi sicela ukuthi nabo siba ignorant sometimes because nabo bashiya ama family wabo. So ladies, asizithandeni sizihlonipheni.
That's it, ne?
Yes.
Imali grant, imali yomntwana, guys. Anginayo umntwana mara imali grant.
And then let's celebrate our mara today. It's all about us women. Let's love each other, support each other. Okhala kuwe mamele.
That's it. Siyabonga. Thank you. Sister Koli no Palesa. We have a supporter all the way. I always see her. Shame.
Kazlam. Yes. All last born bagama. Yes. Nje ngabashiyela nje.
Yes, bengifuna uyishilo This is Party Slayers with Lapoosh. Please, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's December. God today. Love yourself. Take care of yourself.